Good morning, class. Today is 22nd of August and Saturday. And we are on chapter 4, that is fractions. Yes, and till now we have done what is fraction, types of fractions, how to bring fractions in its simplest form, how to change improper fraction into mixed fraction, how to change mixed fraction into improper fraction, and in our last class we have done equivalent fraction. Yes, children. In today's class we are going to start with how to compare fractions. How to compare fractions. For comparing fractions, at least we need two fractions. Yes, children. At least we need two fractions or more than two fractions. When we can compare when we are having more than one anything. Yes, if I am having only one chocolate, can I tell you this is good or not? No. If at least two chocolates I need. Yes, two different chocolates I need. Yes, not same one. I want two different chocolates like Dairy Milk Silk and Dairy Milk Silk Fruit and Nuts. Then only I can compare whether which chocolate is good. Yes, so for comparison we need at least two or more than two things. Same here. For comparing fractions, children, at least I need two or more than two fractions. Now children, see here. How to compare fractions. First we will learn if fractions have the same numerator. If fractions have same numerator, then how, and denominator is different, then how we are going to check whether the fraction is equal or greater or smaller. Okay, in that case, children, you have to find out denominator. The lesser denominator will be greater. When, I am repeating again, children, when in fractions numerator is same. When in fractions numerator is same. In that case, you have to check denominator. Lesser denominator means lesser denominator, fraction which is having less value of denominator is greater one. See here, for example, children, see here. 5 upon 8, 5 upon 9, 5 upon 6. Yes, in all this case, numerator is same. Can you see? Numerator is same. 5, 5, 5. But if you see denominator, it is different. If you see denominator, it is different. In this case, you have to find out whether, in this case, you have to find out which fraction is having less denominator. So, 6 is having here. So, 6 will be first. And then 8 will be second. And 9, it will be third. Is it clear, children? See. 5 upon 6, 5 upon 8 and 5 upon 9 is the smallest one and 5 upon 6 is the biggest one. Is it clear, children? For making you clear, let's take one more example, children. Now, see, I'm writing here 28 upon 42, 28 upon 90, 28 upon 29, 28 upon 36. Can you see, children, here? I have written 28 upon 42, 28 upon 90, 28 upon 29, 28 upon 36. In all cases, children, you can see numerator is same. Yes, in this case, what you have to do? You have to find out denominator having less value. Denominator having less value. So here, which denominator is having less value? 42, 90, 29 or 36. 29 is having less value. So it will be 1. greatest one. Yes, then 36, so it will be 2. Then 42, it will be 3. And then 90, it will be 4. So what the biggest fraction is here? The biggest fraction is 28 upon 29, 28 upon 36, 28 upon 42, and 28 upon 90 is the smallest one. So children, this is your answer. Is it clear? Now children, see, what if the fractions have same denominator? What if the fractions have same denominator? That means we are talking about like fraction. When the fractions are having same denominator, then it is like fraction. So when we are dealing with like fractions, children, see, for example, here I have taken 12 upon 19, 6 upon 19, 11 upon 19, 3 upon 19. So in each case, children, you can see denominator is same. When denominator is same, children, then it is a like fraction. That means when we are dealing with like fractions, what you have to see? Numerator. Numerator, greater numerator. A numerator which is having greater value is a greater fraction. Numerator having greater value is having is greater numerator. Greater function. A fraction, sorry. Numerator having greater value will be greater fraction if all the denominators are same. Now see, children. So here denominators are same. Now see which one is the greater value. Find out here. Greater numerator. 12, 6, 11, 3. So this one is 1. Then 2, 11, 6 is 3. And this is 4. So you can see here 12 upon 19, 11 upon 19, 6 upon 19 and 3 upon 19. So this is how we compare numbers. You want one more example, children? Let's take one more example for you all. Now, for example, children, I am taking example 3 upon 7, 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. Yes, so here all the numerators are same. Can you see? All numerators are same. So what you have to check? You have to check. Sorry, here all denominators are same. I'm sorry, I said numerator. All denominators are same. Yes, children. So what you have to check? You have to check numerator. Numerator which is having highest value will be the highest fraction. So here which is having highest value? 5. So this is 1. 3 upon 7 will be 2 and this will be 3. So how we are going to arrange? 5 upon 7, 3 upon 7 and 2 upon 7. Is it clear, children? Now, children, see how to compare unlike fractions. Now we will see how to compare unlike fractions. Okay, we will compare unlike fractions by changing into like fractions. By changing into like fractions. So, children, tell me the difference between like fraction and unlike fraction. Unlike fractions. In unlike fractions, denominators are different. And in like fractions, denominators are same. Yes, children. In like fractions, in unlike fractions, denominators are different. Yes, and in like fractions, denominators are same. This much is clear. Now children, see, for example, I have taken 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5. So 2 upon 3 and 4 upon 5, they are having different denominators. That means they are unlike fraction. So how to compare? We have to change into like fraction. For changing it into like fraction, we have to make this denominator same. How can we make this denominator same? By taking out LCM. By taking out LCM. So children, see here, 3 and 5. For taking LCM, 3 ones are 5 will come here. Then 5. 1 will here. 1. Yes. So what is here, children? This is, I am going to multiply 3 into 5. 3 into 5 is what? 15. So what is our LCM, children? Our LCM is 15. Our LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Okay. Now you have to change 3 into 15. For changing into 3 into 15, just check, children, in 3's table where 5 lies. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are, yes, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15. So multiply this 3 by 5. You can see here 3 into 5. And it is a rule I have already told you that if you are multiplying denominator by 5, you have to multiply numerator also by 5. So 3 into 5, 2 into 5. 3 into 5, 15. You got it? 2 into 5, 10. You got it, children? Now change this 5 also into 15. Now read 5's table. I'm sorry. 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15. So see here, 5 threes are 15. I am multiplying denominator by 3, so I will be multiplying numerator also by 3. So 4 into 3, 5 into 3, 5 into 3, 15, 4 into 3, 12. Yes, now 10 by 12 this is, and 12 by 15 here. Now children, as rule says, when you compare, you have to check when denominator is same, you have to check numerator, and the numerator which is having biggest value is the biggest fraction. Yes, so which is having? This one is having. Yes, this one is having. So we can very well say that 12 upon 15 is bigger than 10 upon 15. That means 4 upon 5 is bigger than 2 upon 3. This is one way of comparing fractions. Okay. Now see what is the other way. This other way is really simple. Children, by cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. Now see 2 upon 3. See children, 2 upon 3, 4 upon 5. I have taken the same fraction, children, so that we can compare also. So cross multiplication means 3 denominator. The denominator of first fraction will be multiplied by the numerator of second fraction. Like 3 into 4. Is it clear? Denominator of first fraction will be, denominator of first fraction will be multiplied by numerator of second fraction. Okay. So, and the second thing, numerator of first fraction will be multiplied by the denominator of the second fraction. Can you see, children, here? This red one. So, 2 into 5, 3 into 4. 2 into 5, see here. Yes, 2 into 5, 3 into 4. This is what, children? Cross multiplication. So 2 times 5 is 10 and 3 times 4 is 12. You can see here. Yes, now 12 is bigger or 10 is bigger? 12 is bigger. So the fraction 4 upon 5 is greater than 2 upon 3. Is it simple, children? Now, children, let's take one more example. Here I have taken again two fractions, 6 upon 7 and 2 upon 42. I have taken 6 upon 7 and 2 upon 42. Children, here you can see again we are having different denominators. That means different denominator means unlike fraction. To change to compare unlike fractions, you have to change into like fraction. Okay, like fraction means you have to make denominators same. You have to make denominators same. Okay, for this let's take out LCM. Now here's, I have already done, see, 7, 42, 7 and 42. First I'll be taking by 7. 7 times 1, 7. 7 times 6 is 42. ठीक है. Now then 6. 1 will come like this only. Then 6 ones are 6. Okay. Now multiply this complete here. Whatever number you are getting here, multiply. So 6 sevens are 42. So children, LCM of 7 and, sorry, I have missed, right. LCM of 7 and 42. LCM of 7 and 42 is equal to 42. Yes, children. Now see, now you have to make 7 42. You have to check, children, in 7's table when 42 falls. So 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 40. Sorry, children. Now, till here it is clear to you all, na? Till LCMs is clear to you all? Okay. Now see here. To make this 7, to change this 7 denominator into 42, what we have to see? We have to see when 42 lies in 7's table. Okay. So 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42. That means we have to multiply this 7 6 times. So 7 into 6 is 42. And rule says if I am multiplying denominator by 6, I have to multiply numerator also by 6. So 6 into 6, 7 into 6. 6 into 6, 36. 7 into 6 is 42. So 36 upon 42. Okay. Now see here. 2 upon, now see children, 2 upon 42. I have done here with multiplied with 1, but it is not required actually. So 2 into 1 is 2 and 42 into 1 is 42. This step is not required. If you wish, you can do. If you don't wish, you can leave. So children, now you got both the denominators same. See, now you got denominators same, 42 and 42. Now let's compare 36 upon 42. Now 36 upon 42 and 2 upon 42. Denominators are same. So you have to see numerator. Which numerator is having biggest value, greater value. So which is having here bigger value or greater value? This one. Yes, so this one will be the greater one. 36 upon 42 will be greater one. Means 6 upon 7 will be the greater, then will be greater than 2 upon 42. So this is how we compare, children. Is it clear? Now see how we compare in cross multiplication. Same example we have to check in cross multiplication. See children here. 6 upon 7, yeah, that means I have to multiply numerator of first fraction with the denominator of the second fraction and denominator of the first fraction with the numerator of the second fraction. Yes children, this is what I have done here. 6 into 42 and 7 into 2. You can see here children. 6 times 42 and 7 times 2. So 6 times 42 I have multiplied here. We get 252. 2 6s are 12. 2 4s are 24. Carry 1, 25. So 252. And here 14. Now which is greater children? 252 or 14? This is greater. 252. So 6 upon 7 fraction will be greater than 2 upon 42. So children, this is how we compare fractions. I believe it is clear to you all.